Tsegofa Tsopule was found hanging from a tree with stab wounds and she was with child.
I'm
not arresting the guy who did this to me.
But I do love him.
The women of our country are being raped, killed.
bakhusele phezolo bobulele lala kusasa bakuvulele wahlatywe nenyanga ezisibhozo sele khulelwe amapolisa afike jingemthini sebulewe Tsegofa Tsopule rest in power ubhubhe sezokwenza ibaby shower bamkhuphela imali abanomona yobulawa buyazi ubamabhinqa emzantsi acishwa every hour njengezishumane ezimane ezibalenge ebusuku iyacelwa usithathela ikuku umhlambi xa umbulala uba nenyuku cause nisena trender girls niyaphela kwezinsuku sithi abaqale uchuku ebena 17 ufa kwakho amahle quku body was found laid down njekabuhlungu estratweni ePhilip eCape Town kwasizungu amanye amadyano ngacinga azithulele ezinzulwini Nachman nekhwithulele I'm talking to the world jikelele uNkulunkulu ngicela usikelele lingolisekile igama lamanene kuthiwa sizizilwanyana sikwangamamenemene kuthiwa siyathakatha aluthe continue rest in peace uyinene another case at chicken farm ngase-arean isidumbe ethafeni sinamanxeba not again awunalungelo lobulala umuntu sekuthiwa utheni ngathangalala ngoxolo umama ulindelwa peni leyipain man Zamki dreams our Monty champion I can't believe plus sebegelezile umntwana abantu ane degree kwamosha ngongena indoda yambulala uBaby Lee